Now let me take you through some scenarios which we face often. So here's a gentleman who is not being able to service because he has gone to the headquarters to get service, and the headquarters says that since his documents are lying in a particular branch, they are not able to service it. So it's not that the organization does not want to service this gentleman. The only problem is that all the necessary content is in form of physical documents, which is lying in the particular branch where he does his business. Let's look at another scenario. So you'll find that most of the customer-facing offices are in prime locations. And if you have to share this prime location with documents, wherein documents occupy 1/3 of your office space, you can think of the prime state wastage that is happening because of these documents. But these cannot be done away also because you have to provide efficient customer service, and that's why these documents are required there in the office. This is a regulatory gentleman, so he has to respond to various audits, and he has tough time in finding out the right documents from scattered branches, from scattered offices, and delays can actually translate into huge penalties and loss of brand name. Another scenario, because of the inherent nature of physical documents, you cannot have collaborative or work in parallel unless until the entire set is there with the person who is going to work on. He'll not be able to work. So if a work has to be done, it has to be done in sequence. This leads to higher turnaround time for any service. Moving on, how do you ensure the integrity of the physical file? Now this physical file is traveling to multiple desks. People can accidentally or knowingly take away certain pages. How do you ensure that the file is intact and no one has tampered with it, whether accidentally or knowingly? Then of course you can have natural calamities. Most of these documents are somewhere in the basements lying there. It could be rain, it could be fire, it could be rodents, it could be earthquake that can destroy these documents. So you can be liable for regulatory compliance. You are liable for multiple other things, since the documents can get lost during these natural calamities. So all in all, if you look at all these, this sounds very familiar. So a management is always cribbing that they do not have the right information at right time, so they are not able to take the right decision. The CFO is wondering he's not getting good credit terms because they are not able to process the invoices on time. The sales and marketing is often cribbing that they don't get the updated case studies. The HR is worried about because of the increase in headcounts, they are not able to effectively manage the personal records. The customer care is always trying to search for the right information which is missing. Legal is worried about there are many contracts, how to find out which is the latest contract and to act upon that. So these are the various situations or scenarios which all of us go through day in, day out. So having said that these are the various challenges, wouldn't it be great to have a solution wherein you can access the content at your fingertips whenever you want? So this access could be across business functions. So whether a particular business function produces that document or not, still he is able to access those documents and act upon it simultaneously. Access the content across geographical boundaries, whether you have offices in multiple places in India or in abroad, still they are able to look at those documents, work on them, collaborate on them, and take quick decisions. Whether you are working from office, whether you are on a move, or whether you are working from home, you have access to whatever content that is required for you to take decisions or to work upon it. So you see, if such a kind of solution is available, the driver for this solution can come from anywhere. It could be from customer focus that you require for a better customer service. It could come from cost to have better efficiencies, or it could be coming from a compliance angle where you want to like to mitigate risks. So all in all, you can see that documents is an essential part of an organization, and that has to be managed in a way so that they are available to the right person at right time, so that they are able to take decisions. So let's look at how this could